Today we're making smashed sweet potatoes for our Thanksgiving camp out. Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with OTK.
Yes, and I love these smashed sweet potatoes. We actually did them last year for Thanksgiving in LaGrange, Texas.
Yep, they were
with a bunch of friends.
Very good.
Yeah, so it's kind of coming to tradition. So I guess we're gonna show you guys our traditional, what we do as our traditional sweet potato for Thanksgiving.
Yep. So,
well, first things first.
What's the first thing to first do?
Sweet potatoes, man.
Hey, and we've got our sweet potatoes pre-blanched. We did that actually yesterday.
Yeah, and if you were doing it the day of, you just kind of boil them for about 15-20 minutes and then pull them out of the water and then start the process.
Yeah.
But we went ahead and just kind of blanched them before, so that, hey.
Although I will say, if you're gonna boil them or blanch them the day of, make sure you cut your potatoes before you blanch them.
Yeah, just makes it easy. So, all right, well, we got, normally we do about 4 tablespoons of butter, but since we smoked a duck for our Thanksgiving, and we have all this amazing duck fat,
for pretty much free,
we're going to put about 2 tablespoons of butter and then 2 tablespoons of some of that beautiful rendered off duck fat.
Yeah.
And that'll give a really nice earthy flavor to our potatoes.
And it's kind of crazy. If you go to the store and try and buy duck fat, you'll realize that us rendering the duck fat off actually paid for the duck.
Yeah.
So it's pretty cool.
That duck fat gets expensive.
It does.
So we're gonna let this all melt and then we'll throw in our potatoes and we're gonna let the first side sear, get a nice crust, then we'll flip them
and then
we'll kind of give them a little smash and add our herbs and all our good stuff.
So once this melts, we'll be right back.
All right, yeah. And so we're just gonna put them in just around the pan. And we're also gonna be serving it in this pan, so hey, don't get all extra stuff dirty. Might be, get off my potato.
He said, but it's so sweet.
If you don't get up, you're going in the pan with it. All right.
I have honeyed sweet potatoes. But check this out.
There we go. All right, and we're just gonna let that, and I would say about 3-4 minutes until the undersides have a nice little crust, and then we'll flip them.
Exactly.
All right, well, Junior is manning the potatoes. We're gonna take a bunch of basil, and we're just gonna give it a nice little rough chop. Because we're gonna finish everything off with some fresh herbs. And then we have, of course, thyme. So I'm gonna peel off, I'd say, you know, probably a little bit of 1/4 teaspoon.
Yeah.
Thyme is pretty pungent, and the basil, just want it a nice little accent. So there.
Nice little herb bundle.
Yep. There we go. Tell you what, next year you're not allowed to invite your bee friends.
Yeah.
And some fresh parsley.
Ooh.
Give that a nice chop. You can use flat leaf parsley if you like. Some people I know prefer it. I am one of the few people that like the curly. It's just more fun. So we got our herbs. And this is a great recipe that you don't have to be super exact.
No, not
You
at
just
all.
kind of tailor it to what you like.
Yeah.
So have you checked those guys?
I have not checked them yet.
Not too bad. They're starting to get there. You want them to really kind of caramelize from their natural sugars. But yeah, that's looking good. And then of course we're gonna finish it off with a little heavy cream. And we got some salt and pepper. And go ahead and salt.
Yeah, we can go ahead and salt the tops of them.
Tops of this side. And we'll salt the other side once we're at that point. All right, guys. Well, just gotta
kind of let it go.
Yeah.
That's really all you got to do right now.
and try not to grab a bee.
Yeah.
All right.
Those little bees are everywhere.
Yes, they are. Well, and that's a good point. Even though there are several bees, and yes, they can be annoying, and if you're allergic, I get it, but as you notice, we're trying to stay as clean as possible because one, that will deter them. If we're leaving out residue and sweet foods or anything like that, they're gonna be looking for it. So, and that's why we moved our trash can a little away from our kitchen.
Yeah.
Is that one, they're attracted to the trash, so they'll just get it out of your way.
Exactly. It'll help you keep bees away as much as you can.
Yeah.
But try not to kill the bees.
Yes, we need them. Even though one stung me in the butt today. So we're mad about that.
Yeah. And it really doesn't hurt that bad. I mean, it sucks. You don't want to be stung, but there's worse pain.
Yeah, unless you're allergic, then it really.
Yeah, if you're allergic, then that's not a good thing. But that's why you always should have an EpiPen. Ooh, that one looked like it was getting crushed.
They're getting good, yeah.
Yeah? What about that one?
I need to rotate, let that fat get it.
Oh, right there? Yeah.
Lift them up. Nice crusties. Oh yeah, that goes about ready. Yep. I'm gonna play musical potatoes.
Yeah, sometimes you just gotta move your potatoes around. Your pan could be heating up in different ways.
Yeah.
Like right now, we've got a little bit of cross breeze, so the pan closest to us is starting to cook a little more.
Whew, this is gonna be good.
Yes, they are. We're gonna have enough food. We might could invite like 4 more people.
Yeah, no kidding.
Yeah, let's go ahead and
Yeah, look at those guys.
look at that.
Maybe I can go for a minute longer. That's what you want. Nice little crust. Fun thing is, after this, we're going to take the back end of our tongs and give them a little smash. Get that fat rotating back around. Oh, you want to see the...
Oh, yeah.
That's why we call them smashed potatoes. Not breaking them, but... Oh.
Well, maybe you'll break a couple.
It's better if you use a spoon, but...
Yeah, or your hand. But it gets a little hot.
Yeah. We're kind of breaking up because we're going to add a lot of flavor. Okay. And they'll cook down.
Yeah, they'll cook down. The sugar inside the potatoes will kind of caramelize and it'll pull it back together.
There we go. Okay. It's rustic.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, guys, we just drained some of the extra fat off.
Yeah.
And now we're adding our...
I'm throwing our parsley, our basil and thyme. And finish it all up. Drizzle over about half a cup to a cup of cream. I'm gonna let that kind of bubble and reduce down. Gonna add a little more salt. And finish off with a little bit of black pepper.
Ooh, that's looking good. That's looking real good. Smelling good too.
Just kind of want to shake it around. Move everything, let that cream reduce down. See, have a nice pretty
Oh yeah.
potatoes.
It's gonna be a nice little cream sauce all up in there.
Yes. Oh. I just got creamed by potato.
Yo.
Cast iron is so heavy.
Especially with all that stuff in there.
All right. Well, I'm gonna get a little small plate for us to taste it on. Those are spoons. It doesn't matter. Spoon's fine.
I thought I saw a fork in here.
Okay. Whew.
Yeah, those are ready.
Fragrant. That's right.
Alrighty, guys, these are ready. It's time to taste them.
That. It's beautiful. Yes. Not only serve them, I guess we'll just take a couple. Get a lot of that good cream sauce. But make sure no one knows that we stole one.
They'll never know unless they watch this.
Yeah. All right. I'm kind of excited about these.
Yes.
All right. We got our little taster. Well, that is delicious. Even the bees want it. I love the fresh herbs and the sweetness. Because, you know, so many people put marshmallows and all that, just basically make it a dessert. This is a good way to complement the savory and the sweetness of the potato.
Yeah, it really is. It really takes a sweet potato to a different level.
Yeah, and it's so simple, guys. Y'all saw how fast that was? I really want to eat more, but
yeah,
I guess we gotta wait. I can't get full.
I want to do it.
All right, well, that's simple. We're gonna get this over to the buffet. We got one or two more things to do.
Yeah.
But hey, if you like this, give this recipe a try. It's really easy, it's quick, and it is a showstopper.
It absolutely is. We're about to make some duck gravy and a salad.
Yes,
and
then we're eating.
then it's Thanksgiving time.
So we're gonna get back at it so we can eat the rest of these.
Exactly. But don't forget to like and subscribe, comment, hit that bell notification, and you can find this recipe down below or
At outdoortestkitchen.org.
yeah.
So remember, keep camping and keep cooking.
Yeah.
All right,
Let's get
time
this
for the
going.
buffet.